It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
Tax season is here again, but there are a few new things to keep in mind before filing. I'm Lauren Scott, your host for Kansas City Spotlight, and today I'm joined by Tech Life expert Jennifer Jolly with everything you need to know.
Starting January 1st, 2022, Venmo, PayPal, and all the other payment apps, as well as marketplaces like Etsy and Airbnb, have to tell the IRS if you make more than $600 for the sale of goods and services. Now, that last part, that's what's really important to know here. This is for the sale of goods and services. It does not apply to payments between friends and family. So go ahead, split the cost of dinner out with your friends or go in on a family gift. But if you use payment apps to accept money for your side hustle, like so many tens of millions of people do these days, well, that's when you need to report those earnings to the IRS when you file taxes next year in 2023. So just to reiterate, you will not get hit with new taxes for sharing the cost of meals through payment apps like Venmo or PayPal, or even paying for part of a family vacation together. It doesn't apply to transactions sent between your friends and family. The IRS says it's simply trying to better track people's income received for goods and services. Here's a great example. Let's say you pay your hairstylist via Venmo for cutting your hair. Well, that stylist has to report it once he or she passes that $600 threshold. Same goes for the guys selling you or reselling concert tickets. If that person goes above $600, they have to report it. These sellers have to declare that money as income in their 2022 taxes when they file in 2023. But if you're the person who's making those payments for goods and services, life just stays the same for you. You don't have to worry about it at all. What is a better way to kind of keep track or tag these payments as goods and services? Well, for PayPal and Venmo, just those two alone, you can tag them the right way right within the app itself. Also, if you have a Venmo professional account, those automatically get tagged as payments for goods and services. So that's great too. Plus, all of these apps and tech tools are supposed to send you a 1099-K form at the end of next year. So be sure to look for that. But this is the IRS. These are taxes. Everyone's circumstances are different. So because this is such a new law that impacts so many millions of people, be sure to check with your own tax professional about it as well.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by PayPal.